Now we are, I can say we are able to go through the all the L3 configuration and then to other part, entity, attributes, all those things. Now let's take one business requirement. How this business requirement will be converted to the L3 and how this will be pushed in the any tenant MDM and how it will be practically used for the business purpose. So let's go to this problem statement and I'll show you how to convert in a first description and then how it convert to the L3. I will show you. Let's say read it the company name, your name, you can put your name as a distribution company has a purchase product. So one thing is purchase product from another company, Marvin Metal. So a company, your name distribution has purchased a product from another company, Marvin Metal, creating a supplier relationship with your company distribution. So two company here, that your company and this other company, and there is a relationship that is called supplier and has a purchase product. So Marvin Metal have a product company, okay, and the product they have purchased, they need to able to track the item number, price, wholesale price, retail price, quantity sold, and material. So product have all this item like item number, price, and price have two types, so wholesale and retail, and quality sold, how much quality sold, material details. Your distribution company want to able to easily identify the Marvin Metal as the source of the newly imported product, which is they refer as MMI. So source is MMI as per your company. So your company, the second section, a company will need to appoint a new contract. So contract means a one type of entity to play role of the product manager. So contract have a role of product manager. This person will be responsible for existing new product within the system. So he will take care about the product which are purchased from the Marvin Metal Inc. To be proactively managing the product in the future, they want to ensure all product will automatically merge if they have a same ID and source. Means product ID will be same and the source will be MMI. Then it will be automatically match and merge. In addition, they want manually review any product record matches if description, type and color are the same to avoid any duplicate. Means if the product is matches, two product is matches with description, type and color, then do not do any automatic match. Always see the suspect and manual review it. If you think that it need to be merged, then merge manually. Okay. So how this statement is converted to the basic business conversion. Okay. So if I go here, will we see. Let me, yeah. So as part of this, if I go again, I read it. A company, your name, distribution company has a purchase product from another company, Marvin Metal, creating a supply relationship with your name distribution company or CMS company. From the product they want to purchase, they need to be able to track item price, wholesale, retail, quantity sold, material, and your name of the company want to be able to easily identify Marvin Metal as a source of the all newly imported product, which they refer to as a MMI. So see this company, so main product or owner company is this is your company. and this is Marvin Metal, and Marvin Metal and your company as a relationship between supplier and they have a product. So product is an entity definitely, and product have a ID, description, type, color, item ID, price, quantity sold, material. Why? Because if I scroll down, see this product is matched for ID and source respective, and this also product can be review for description, type, color. So all these are part of the attributes, product attributes. So that's why product is an entity and ID, description, type, color, item ID, price, quantity, all are the attributes of the product. Okay, got it. And see also you see that your company has a contract. So your distribution company need to apply a contract and play the role of the product manager. So contract is there and role is the product manager, and how it will automatically match same ID of the product and source, match group, description, type and color. These are the suspect part. Okay, match group are created. Auto merge means merge option and match means suspect part. So after reading this particular business requirement, it is converted to particular description. These are the description, short description. So from this description, you can convert it to L3. That will be your ultimate goal. So how to convert it? So I have already created. So see, these are the I just write this particular thing. Just copy paste from any of this and then modify it. That source name, that is called URI, that is unique word. Then label, I provide the label, and then this is MMI in abbreviation. Here this is not a mandatory, but I have created it here. Done. Now go to here. This is L3 part already coming together. See, this is another entity I have created, that is product, and from the product, uh, that product ID, that these are the attributes, product ID, the string I provided, and then see, this is the description, these are the product type, material, quantity sold, product price. See, in the product price, that data level pattern is there, because see, in the statement also you can see that wholesale and retail two means price is part of two things, wholesale and retail. So see here the pattern is wholesale and retail. So within attributes wholesale price, because wholesale price is part of the price attributes, not like within the attributes main within the product attribute wholesale price. Say wholesale is a part of the attributes within the price. So that's why it is written like this. Similarly, retail price also. Product color is a part of direct product attribute. So it is here. So these are the unique. This URI is the unique. And owned by means is company name. Company, that is already informed. This is the company name. Purchased by, which company is purchased, because it is written there, right? And see, there is a facet for the search attributes. Means using these attributes you can search ID, description, name, type, color. Here is it need to be provided, otherwise you cannot search it, you cannot match it. So go to the match group, see ID and source match, then automatic. Automatic means auto match. So exact ID value will be there. So we saw only one source ID MA1, and match token is the default. It's created by the RELTIO MDM team, the group, and second part is the suspect. So suspect is based on that description, type, and color. So this is called type suspect. See description, these are the URL, type, color, these are the Based on these three, it is generating suspect. Okay. Another part is the contract is there. Why contract is there? Because as per the rule it is written that contract will be play the role. That's why contract is there. Contract is there. So definitely contact have a name, address, all those information definitely you need to have that, have a phone number, such kind of information we need to provide. Okay. So contact related part definitely also there. And if maybe it can be, I can put his email address, phone number, address, I can put it multiple things. Now we go to the this section. So we saw this particular part is created because it's a part of the company. It can be inherited from organization. And so this and these two are the part of the organization. This is another entity product, and this is another entity contract and role. This is the product manager. See the match group. All this information I already shared. So in this way, actually, we are creating this particular things. Okay. So I will attach this part. So it will be helpful for you to write some part. So here that product management is there because multiple relationship we need to establish. Here only one relationship with the supplier is there, our customer is there because we created that suspect that supplier rules is there. That is the entity conversion. Okay. So you are able to see that how one business rule is converted to the LT converted to the first description part. So then it goes to the proper L3 section or JSON file creation. Okay. Okay. Go to the next section.